What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Boondockbuilds. My name's Jamie, and if you're new to this channel, you picked a great first episode to start on. Because what we're going to be doing today is taking some scrap wood and turning that into something you can sell for a very nice profit. Also, during this video, the projects I make today, I'm going to be giving away to you guys. So if you want to learn how to enter into that, be sure to watch later on in the video. Let's go ahead and dive on into it. Alright guys, so I really hate to admit this, but I was wrong. I'm about to eat my words. Check it out. And here we have a bottle opener, and I hope you enjoyed it because I'm never making one of these again. So for project number one, we are going to revive the bottle opener. I'm going to give it one more try. Let's dive into it. So to start us out here, I'm going to take this piece of maple and cut it down to 2.5 inches by 5 inches. Now I'm going to come over 3/4 of an inch on both sides and mark a line. Now we're going to go up 3 3/4 on each side and make a line on here. And now we're going to take our ruler, connect those lines. And now we're going to go 3/4 of an inch at the top and make a line as well. Make the lines again. Now we're going to take this over to the bandsaw and cut it out. Now I'm going to sand this up and get it all nice and smooth. Now I'm going to take this over to the router table and put a slight chamfer on it. So I really should have done this before I put this chamfer on it, but it's alright, we're still going to make it work. We got 2 1/8 inches, half of that. Being 1 1/16 of an inch. And now we're going to come down 1.5 inches from the bottom there, mark a line there, and that is going to be where we pop a hole. Now we're going to use our 1 5/8 Forstner bit to go down about 1/16 of an inch. We don't want to go too far in, just enough for that bottle opener to sit in flush. Then I use my 7/8 Forstner bit to set the depth, and then I use my 1/16 drill bit to pre-drill for the screws. So I'm really excited to be giving away the projects that we're making today, and that is all thanks to the sponsor of this video, the Genmitsu Kiosk Laser Engraver. The Genmitsu Laser Engraver is a compact desktop-style laser engraver that allows you to take laser engraving anywhere. You can take this kiosk to your next market and customize items right in front of your customer. It's powerful, affordable, and super easy to set up. I was engraving the first item in under 10 minutes. So be sure to click the link in the description and get your Genmitsu Kiosk Laser Engraver today. Now all there's left to do is to hit this, put some finish. And that's going to do it for project number one. Stick around for project number two because that's where I'm going to be explaining the rules, where you can win this and the next project we built. So let's go ahead and get to it. So again, for project number two, all I'm using is a little bit of scrap maple, and we're going to cut this down to 4 inches by 4 inches. Now I'm gonna give this a quick rough sanding, just make sure everything's nice and smooth. So again here, we're gonna take our ruler, find that center by lining up the corners, and marking that line. Now we're going to take our 1.5 inch Forstner bit and drill down roughly 1/2 inch. So if you want to know how to win one of these prizes, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Do it. You can win. Now I have this piece of scrap walnut that's 1/2 inch by 3/8 of an inch. I'm going to cut 2 pieces at 3.5 inches long. Now we take our piece here, mark in 1/2 inch on each side. We're going to take our speed square and mark that line. Now I'm taking a little bit of glue. And clamp it down right on that line. So I'll be honest guys, I made a little bit of a mistake of what I originally wanted this to look like. So we're gonna run it back real quick. We can still give this one away. It's a nice little candle holder. If you wanna win this one, let me know in the comments. But I wanna go around, before we put the feet on, I'm gonna put a nice little chamfer on this. And there we have it, guys. 2 easy projects we made out of scrap wood that's going to make a very, very nice profit, especially with this new customization with the Genmitsu laser engraver. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to make sure you're entered to win some of these projects we made today. I'm definitely giving away some pencils as well that I've engraved Boondockbuilds into. Might give away some of these brushes. I haven't decided yet. But like, comment, subscribe. That's how you enter to win. Be sure to click the link in the description to get your Genmitsu laser engraver today. They're pretty affordable and great machine if I'm being honest. But click right here if you want to check out our last video. We'll see you guys next time on Boondockbuilds.